Is it time to buy or sell UiPath stock? In this video, we are diving deep into UiPath. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 4th day of September in the year 2025, our system has ranked UiPath as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.4. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential declines ahead. The present 3-month trend suggests a possible decrease of approximately 18% over the next 3 months, with a potential return fluctuating between a decline of 26% and a decrease of 12%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a decline of about 10%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 25% to an increase of 18% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would place the future price within the range of $8.15 to $12.78. Our latest daily update for UiPath features the headline, "Evaluation of UiPath Incorporated stock downgraded after the last trading session." The stock price of UiPath Incorporated decreased by approximately 0.276% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 4th of September, 2025. The price fell from $10.88 to $10.85. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.34%, ranging from a low of $10.48 to a high of $10.94. Over the past 10 days, the stock has declined in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 1% for that period. Trading volume increased on the last day by 30 million shares, although this occurred amid falling prices. This could serve as an early warning sign, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 37 million shares were traded for approximately $471,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $15.93, while the lowest was $9.38. Currently, the stock price is 31.89%, or $5.08, below the 52-week high, and 87.94%, or $79.15, below the all-time high recorded on the 28th of May, 2021, when it reached $90. UiPath stock has surged following the company's announcement of its second quarter fiscal 2026 results. Annual recurring revenue has increased by 11% year over year, reaching $1,723 million. Management emphasized stronger execution and rising demand for its agentic automation solutions. This quarter reflects ongoing growth in subscription revenue and enhanced technology partnerships, although legacy license sales continue to weigh on the near-term revenue mix. Additionally, leadership changes are significant. UiPath has appointed Michael Atala as Chief Marketing Officer to advance its agentic AI strategy and expedite market entry efforts. In the short term, the positive annual recurring revenue figures and optimistic commentary are likely to boost sentiment and trading activity, potentially leading to a relief rally as investors appreciate the stability of recurring revenue and product progress. However, lingering concerns about license softness and any conservative guidance may contribute to elevated volatility. Looking ahead, sustained growth in annual recurring revenue, more focused execution, and effective marketing of agentic automation could facilitate higher revenue multiples and improved profit margins. Nevertheless, execution risks, competitive pressures, and broader trends in IT spending will ultimately determine the realization of this potential upside. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 30th of May 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned PATH an equal weight rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, it was reported that Scotiabank also rated PATH as sector perform, maintaining a hold recommendation. Again, on that Friday, Barclays provided PATH with an equal weight rating and a hold action. RBC Capital reported the same day that PATH received a sector perform rating along with a hold recommendation. Earlier, on Thursday, the 13th of March 2025, Needham assigned PATH a hold rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned UiPath stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for UiPath. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 11th of August, 2025, and so far, it has risen approximately 3.93%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. The stock of UiPath Inc. currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative forecast for the stock. Moreover, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $11 and $11.38. A breakout above any of these levels will generate buy signals. Volume increased while prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 18 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 19 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 26 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UiPath. UiPath Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $10.73. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is typically traded at a robust volume, and with minor daily fluctuations, the associated risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 455 tenth-thousandths of a dollar, which is 4.34% between its highest and lowest points. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.92%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UiPath, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 8 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UiPath. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UiPath is at $11.17. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, UiPath encounters its first support level at $10.73. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UiPath from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Dines Daniel, who bought and sold 189,988 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 16.371. In total, insiders purchased 6,185,220 shares and sold 8,263,456 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is negative, and there is currently no stock loss in place. Is UiPath stock a good buy? UiPath Incorporated shows several negative indicators and is currently trending downward. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation for this stock from a hold to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 5th of September, we expect UiPath to open lower by 9.5 cents and begin trading at $10.76. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and that it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.